Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to securely send files and folders using Microsoft Outlook. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer and log into your account. This will load up your inbox and give you access to all your email tools. Once everything has loaded and you can see your main dashboard, you're ready to begin creating a secure email with your attachments. Now look towards the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the New Email button. Go ahead and click on it to open a fresh email composition window. This is where you'll be building your email and adding the files you want to send securely. Once the email composition window opens, you'll need to start adding your attachment. Navigate to the top of the window and click on the Insert tab. This will bring up your Insert menu with various options for adding content to your email. From this menu, look for the Attach File option and click on the drop-down arrow next to it. You'll see several attachment options appear. From these choices, click on Browse this PC. This will open a File Explorer window that lets you navigate through your computer's folders and files. In the File Explorer window that appears, take your time to locate the files or folders you want to securely send. Browse through your directories until you find exactly what you're looking for. Once you've located the file or folder, click on it to select it. After selecting it, click the Insert button at the bottom of the window. Your file will now be attached to your email, and you'll see it appear in the attachment area of your message. Now comes the important security step. With your file attached, look at the top of the email composition window and click on the File tab. This opens a menu with various email options and settings. Right away, you'll see an option labeled Encrypt. Click on this Encrypt option to add password protection to your entire email. A prompt will appear asking you to enter a password for this encrypted email. Type in a strong password that you'll share with your recipients separately. This password protection ensures that only someone with the correct password can open and view your email and its attachments. Before you hit send, here's something really important to keep in mind. Make sure your recipient knows the password you just set for the encrypted email. You'll need to share this password with them through a different channel, like a phone call, text message, or separate communication method. Without this password, they won't be able to access the files you're sending, so don't skip this step. And that's it. You've successfully set up a secure encrypted email with password-protected files and folders using Microsoft Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.